As you have learned in the past, you know that HTML doesn't recognize white spaces. So let's look at this code. We have two sentences and there's a way I have written it in the code. Unfortunately, HTML will render this as a straight line on the website. One way of handling this is by applying line break element after the first sentence. And to do that, all we need to do is to add the BR element. It's a single element. There is no need for opening and closing elements. This will cause a line break after the first sentence and we achieve the look that we want. This is an important element and you will most likely need it in future situations. After the line break element, we have the thematic break element. So what this does is it creates a horizontal line in the document that denotes a thematic change in the text. So to do that, we have HR. Don't worry, it doesn't mean human resources. That wasn't an exciting joke. So what this does is create a horizontal line, as you can see in the website. You can use this to demarcate and show sections or change of topic.